Hi, I'm Sebastian from Tormek and welcome to this short presentation of the brand new Tormek T1 Morakniv 1891 kitchen knife sharpener. If you have an old knife where you don't know the angle, a good way to find out which angle you want to sharpen in and reproduce the same angle is to use the Tormek marker method. What you do is you take your old knife, you color the bevel all along. Then, without the machine running, you place the knife in the patented jig and you turn the honing wheel around. Then you will see where on the bevel the color is removed. If it takes only towards the tip, then you need to lower the angle. If it takes only higher up, you need a higher angle. And you want the color to be removed all along the bevel. This is a great tip to always reproduce the same angle, which is fast and also makes your knives last longer. Good luck!